Hello and welcome back to Draconia Drawing. Today I'm actually going to be unboxing and reviewing some art supplies from Beebeecraft. They were kind enough to send this to me, however this is my unbiased review, so just because they sent this to me does not mean I won't give my honest opinion. Now without further ado, let's get right into the review. Okay, so here's the packing list with the supplies that I got. So here's the packing list. So here's the markers. I got some markers, I got some wire, I got some calligraphy brushes, and I got some tracing paper. So first off, I've got these markers here. They are metallic paint markers, I think. So, they're metallic color pens. Okay, so, they're water-based ink, and they're color pens, so they're gonna be like some pretty nice ones, kind of this kind of tip, if you can see that. Okay, so we've got two greens, kind of deeper magenta color, a purple color, a blue color, and then a gold, silver, and bronze, a white, and another darker silver. So I'm just going to start out by just kind of swatching these out a bit. So that one is only barely visible, but that could actually be very useful for like highlights and stuff. Nice silver color. They definitely feel nice in there. That one has a really nice color. It's very shiny on the inside and then a little less on the outside. So that's really nice. And now here. Oh, and that's a nice silver. That's a nice like bright silver color. Right there. Now the blue. That very nice metallic. I think, yeah, it does not work great with double layering. So you want to get your first coat on good. Then the magenta color. That's really nice. First green color. Okay, actually that's more of like a silvery color. Very similar to this one down here. So this, if you do end up getting these, this one is very similar to the silvery color. Those two silver colors are very similar. This one might have a bit more of a tint, but it's still similar. And then this one's more of like a sea green color, but very metallic and shiny. So super nice. And then last of all, we have a nice purple color, and that's a really nice deep purple color. So all the colors are very nice. The metallic part is really nice. So all in all, my review of these, they're really nice. They have a good feel, and for their price, which I think was about $10 for these set of markers, they are really great, and I would highly recommend them. This is what they come as right out of the bag. Here they are. So, I'm gonna just open these up. Really nice presentation. With the markers, they were just in a bag, but these like come in like this nice type thingy. Nice like surface thingy. Okay, so these are really long. I was not expecting them to be so long from the picture. Let's just put these all in a row. Okay, so they look really nice. So this is, from now on, these are actually things that I want to learn, which is why I ordered them. So the brushes have a very hard tip, I think for calligraphy, because they are calligraphy brushes. But from first looks, they look really nice. They have a really nice feel to them, pretty lightweight, but still has a bit of a bit of heaviness in the tip, so it can still seems like it would write pretty good. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say on these, just because I don't really know much about them, but I'm going to be learning more in the future, obviously. This is the third thing that I got, and that is going to be this wire. So this is just some really nice, really fine, like thin wire by Beebeecraft. It is just it's 11 yards, so that's pretty nice, a nice gold color. And I actually want to get into wire sculpting, and so I'm going to do an episode of An Artist's Journey, possibly the next one, using this wire from Beebeecraft and Beebeecraft. So yeah, hopefully. So I'm going to get into that. I don't know a ton about wire sculpting right now. All this stuff is stuff that I want to learn. Except for the markers, I pretty much know how to use markers. So yeah, here is the wire. Looks really nice. It is a 0.8 millimeters. So this is going to like hold its statue, but it's not going to be super thick and super hard to maneuver. So yeah, that's really nice. So that's pretty much it, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm going to be doing 1 or 2 more videos about using these products. However, for now, that's it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye!